The BuyMeLikeMe.com channel was set up to sell you shit, good shit, such as dried goods like wormwood tea to kill intestinal parasites, ginger and turmeric tea which reduce inflammation of joints, green power pellets in vegetarian capsules 2 to 4 daily, pre or pro-workout to feed nutrient power directly into the blood. The channel has now expanded to preview the technology behind running such a business. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Now let's get into the dialogue. Buy me like me. Testing. Good. It's working. Let's go. I was recently looking for an image for the Vegas Video Pro, which is a video editing software that I use to edit these videos. I went to Google Images. I found the image I wanted, and as I was clicking through, I followed it through to a website called Skillshare, which is what you see on your screen right now. Skillshare is one of those websites that allows an individual who has a certain skill set to record a series of videos, upload those videos on their website, and then put a price on them. Another site such as this is Udemy. They allow you to do the same thing, create a course, create a slideshow or a series of presentations, or if it's just one product or presentation, and upload it and set a price on it. Amazon also does this with Kindle books. You can upload your book, etc., etc. Here's the point I'm making. Just as the title of the video says, 2 good reasons to be a business owner. 1, you can dictate your own price. You can charge the customer what you think your product is worth. And based on your price, there is no competition, because non-business owners perhaps may be too scared to charge above a certain threshold, especially if they believe that they can get millions of views and subscribers as opposed to millions of customers on one of these websites. Number 2, you can have and control your own customer list, which means you have direct access to another human being, direct access to people that you can then send your offers to over the lifetime of your business or over your entire lifetime. These are the people that will help furnish your lifestyle. These are the people that will serve you as you serve them with your product. Now, the problem that I've seen, and the reason I would never sign up with Kindle Publishing or any one of these other sites or Udemy or Skillshare, is because look at this, for example. Let's say I charge $200 for a series of videos to show a student or client or customer how to do something. This page that we're looking at, as we come on it, Skillshare Incorporated, they're giving a deal, and it reads like this: final hours, get 3 months of unlimited access to not 15, not 20, not 100, but 15,000 classes for 99 cents. Now hold up a second. How am I supposed to pay my bills or have a lifestyle or even buy a sandwich if my course is being sold for 99 cents? I want to charge $200 for my course. That's why you should get your own website, your own business, put your stuff together and charge what you want. If you believe it's worth this, charge this. If you believe it's worth that, charge that. 15,000 classes for 99 cents. Let's take a look at what Udemy has done as well. New student discount, 48 hours only. Change your life through learning. Over 40,000 courses are £10 each for a limited time. So if I want to sell again my course for $200, you're going to devalue it to just £10. Amazon does the same thing. All these book sharing sites, it's just like the music industry at one time, because I'm in England, UK, United Kingdom, Great Britain, whenever you had to buy an import record such as a hip-hop song, hip-hop soundtrack, you would have to pay maybe 15, 20, 25, 30 pounds to get an album. When Nas brought out his Illmatic album, it was only available on import. We could listen to it on the radio, but we couldn't get it. There was no YouTube. There was no download and sharing sites. So technologically, we had to do what is referred to as snail mail. We had to order the product and wait for it to arrive into the country and pay the duty and the tax on it. So we pay 20 or 30 pounds for the import, then pay the tax. And if we're lucky, we don't pay any tax, but it's still going to cost between 20 or 30 pounds. What this technology has in effect done is standardized the demise and the reduction of all your hard work. But that doesn't have to be the end of it. That doesn't have to be the end of you looking to run a business or fund or furnish a lifestyle or save up and buy a house. What you need to do is set up a business, and in your business, with your terms and conditions, you set the price. I mean, look, you could disagree, but Skillshare is a business, and this is what they're telling you, 99 cents. Udemy is a business, and this is what they're telling you, £10 each. So why don't you set up your business and dictate your own pricing? I just wanted to share that with you. So instead of getting annoyed, like I just did get a little bit annoyed, because I recognize that even though technology is a good thing, sometimes when these companies standardize a set of protocols, such as we're going to take your stuff and charge what we want, all you have to do to move beyond that is recognize the fact that they're just another business. You can do the same thing, but instead of quote unquote pimping the people that are signing up, you charge what you want and give them value. Use, for example, YouTube to give value for free. Give them videos. And then when they want to learn a skill set that can pay them back what they're investing in you, take them to your business via YouTube, via whatever social media platform you're comfortable with, and have them pay and purchase from you at a price that you as the business owner dictate. Thank you for watching the video, and have a nice day. Thank you very much. I've been Mikhail Rahim. In fact, I've enjoyed making this video. I love making these videos. Now here's the thing. I want to put out much more videos, much more content, but I want you to know when those videos are coming out. Now, if you want to stay in tune with when the videos are being released, we all know that sometimes YouTube does not send you those notifications. So it would be a great thing if you could not just click the subscribe link and give a thumbs up, click the like, but also send your email to buymelikeme@gmail.com, and in the subject put add me to your super duper contact list, and I'll do that. And whenever I've got a new video, I'll email you. I might even have something to sell you, something that can make your life a little easier, a little more pleasant. Might be software, might be hardware, might be advice, might be an ebook. But if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video. Buy me like me, 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 buy me like me.